this is how we're gonna get to Coachella. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's so cool. Oh my word! You can't walk past that cone.
What shit? That's very close.
Oh my god! Look. Ollie, your t-shirt matches the plane. It's almost like you planned it. I know. You're clever. And we are on. Oh my word! I want to sit facing forward. I want to sit.
Sensitive to bombs.
Me.
You are?
Yeah.
Then come up here over the wing.
Okay, let's sit.
I kind of enjoy it.
Yeah,
Okay.
Joe, come and sit here, buddy.
All right, I'll sit here for a time being.
Backwards to it? That'd be fine.
Look at this. Look at that.
How cool is it?
We're gonna have to, it's the first time ever we're gonna have to actually see like a plane take off from like the front of the plane. If that makes sense. I'm so excited. God blimey, we're lucky. We're so lucky.
Here too.
There's snacks. There's coffee.
Champagne with us?
Yeah.
Oh my word.
Delicious.
That's.
Pop chips. I can't get over the fact that we can actually.
We're not in the air long enough to enjoy all this kind of stuff.
In the middle drawers right there.
Yeah.
There's more snacks, and the bottom drawers have sodas.
Yes!
And they have beer.
Snacks.
Beer!
All these knobs control everything.
There's just so many buttons.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the most important one.
Are you a good team?
Oh, we're
All
going.
happy? All excited?
So excited!
Good, good.
It's kind of getting hot, right?
Open the window.
It's fine. It's fine.
Press it.
It's gone.
See it off.
Can
See
you
it
say
off.
wait?
He drank it with his nose.
My boys.
Go. This is it.
Jesus.
Yeah. There we go. This is so cool to see. Here we are. Yeah.
Awesome. This is so cool.
Oh my word.
This is wow.
It feels like we've never been on an aeroplane before.
This is
Very different.
Returning.
It's extremely different.
Oh my word.
This makes me feel very safe. I can see what's going on.
Wait till we hit some turbulence.
See if they're doing any dodgy
Yeah, I know, right? Wait till we get started.
Well, cheers guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To Coachella. Cheers guys.
Cheers.
Cheers everyone.
Cheers.
Should we play some tunes?
Right, let's get a disco ball going. Let's get the party tunes on. And let's play Never Have I Ever. Never have I ever been on a private. Oh wait, shit, we have. I'm joking, guys. This is very unnatural to me. Maybe on a jet, but I get more legroom in economy on a big plane. I'm sat next to bloody Lewis. Can you just like f off, mate? Oh wow, this is actually beautiful.
Wait, boys, I want a picture for me. Get together.
You look great, Ollie.
Cheers.
You're looking beautiful. Alexa's had enough. Look, she's had enough. She's getting off the plane now. Like, if you told me, I don't know, 3 years ago, I was on that roof, thatching a straw roof.
Bloody hell, we haven't got it yet.
Even though I'm pretty sure I have to take the seatbelts off now, I still kind of don't want to, even though it feels very like claustrophobic in a way. Even anybody feels the way I do about you now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dream that the fire in your heart is out. We haven't got any form of music, so I've made everyone start singing. I don't believe that anybody.
Should we
Request.
should we try and get the speaker? Yeah, mate, get a speaker.
They're like, basically I said, I was thinking, shit, can we get the speaker working? Any way to get the speaker working? Shall I ask if he's got an aux cable?
I got it.
Yeah!
I can go on yours. You know how to do it. Jump in, this boy's up to something.
Oh my god! Holy shit!
Guys, there's been some really bad numbers.
We've been turbulent!
Look at my lap. Ollie's pissed himself.
Ollie's That was so much fun. I like turbulence. I actually enjoy turbulence. I enjoy it.
There's going to be a lot more turbulence.
A lot
It's
more.
windy.
It's very windy.
It's so windy in the desert.
Hey, can I sit there?
No.
Please.
Why? You'll be
No, because I don't have to.
Cheers. wing looks loose.
We've lost the phalange.
Guys, everybody has their seatbelts on?
Yeah, yeah. Here we go.
Joysticks.
Moro! We love you, Moro. We do. Oh, Moro, we love you. Thank you so much. Oh, he didn't hear me. We made it. Someone slapped my ass, but you made it. Dry land. It's so much warmer.
survived turbulence.
You survived.